A strong earthquake struck off the southern coast of Panama on Wednesday near the border with Costa Rica, rattling the Costa Rican capital San Jose. The quake was recorded as being 6.9 magnitude by the European Mediterranean Seismological Center, EMSC. The U.S. Geological Survey measured the quake at a 6.8 magnitude. It hit at a depth of 1.2 miles, about 200 miles southeast of San Jose and about 30 miles south of Punta de Burica, Panama. Quakes of that magnitude can cause severe damage, although there were no immediate reports of damage and authorities said a tsunami was not expected. Regarding the earthquake we felt in almost the entire country, we report that we have no damage to public infrastructure or personal injuries, said Alexander Solis, head of Costa Rica's National Emergency Commission. A Reuters witness said the quake was felt in San Jose, but another witness said it was not felt in Panama's capital, Panama City. Our team continues to monitor the areas where the earthquake this afternoon was perceived, said Panama's Civil Protection Agency in a statement. No damage has been reported yet. Another temblor, with a magnitude of 6.3 and a depth of 14 miles, also struck near Panama, the EMSC said.